In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hover box in Wix, providing your website with an interactive and visually dynamic element. So let's get started and bring your Wix site to life with some engaging motion effects. First, you want to navigate to the Wix website editor. It's your central hub for building and customizing your site, so if you aren't already there, log into your Wix account and select the website you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, the possibilities are endless for what you can create. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the editor and click on Add Elements. This is where you can find all the elements you'll need to customize your site, from text boxes to images, but for today, we're focused on designing a hover box. When you click on Add Elements, a menu will expand, unveiling various design components. Now click on Buy the Nifty Bots. This section provides a variety of options for designing structured layouts. The focus here is on adding hover boxes, which offer great ways to display content dynamically when a visitor's mouse hovers over them. From the box options, choose Hover Boxes. Hover boxes are a fantastic design tool to create intrigue and interaction, perfect for showcasing extra information only when needed. Here, you'll find several design templates. You can choose any one that suits your website's theme. Remember, the design you pick should harmonize well with your overall site aesthetics for a coherent look. With your hover box selected, click on Change Design under the regular box settings. This part allows you to customize the look of your box when it's not being hovered over, reinforcing your unique branding and design style. Next, switch to the Hover option in the design settings. By doing this, you'll be able to modify how your box appears when someone hovers over it. It's all about choosing a design that stands out, ensuring your visitor's attention is drawn where you want it. Following that, click on Choose Effect. This is where the magic happens. Selecting an effect will dictate the animation or movement that occurs when a visitor hovers over the box. Choose something that complements your site's look and feel, yet is subtle enough not to overwhelm the user. Once you're happy with your choice, click Add to Hover. This will apply your selected effects, cementing them into the box's interactive behavior. It's a final touch, setting your hover box into action mode on the live website. And there you have it. By following these simple yet effective steps, you've successfully added a hover box to your Wix website, enhancing the interactive experience for your visitors. With this dynamic feature, you'll be providing a visually appealing element that keeps your audience engaged. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.